I really needed to make a quick video on Beethoven, especially this Moonlight Sonata. I hope you watched my last video on Beethoven knowing what he was doing. It's called I Was Misled. Anyway, this is a perfect example of people not doing what the composer said. And this is why I say you really must look at what Beethoven wrote first and make sure you're following it. Because sometimes, even if you think you're doing the correct thing, your eyes are deceiving you. So let's take a look at this. First of all, what do you see? It says adagio sostenuto. Okay, so, why don't we say it's about quarter note equals 60? That's what you would think, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, which would be yada dee da da dee da. But look closely. Do you see something? Do you see anything? That's right. It's not in common time. It's in cut time. What does that mean? It means the quarter note is not getting the beat. The half note gets the beat, which means you're 1, 2, 1, 2. You're fitting 2 beats per measure, so it would be da da dee 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 da. That is the tempo it's supposed to be played at. Why is it so many recordings, so many people play the wrong way when it's right there in front of your face? I know some versions have a metronome marking, but forget it. Just say it's adagio. It's still about twice as slow as it needs to be. The answer to the question is you absolutely must make sure you are faithfully following everything that Beethoven wrote. Go take a look at some of your other Beethoven scores. I think you'll be quite surprised at some of the markings that were right there in front of you, which you didn't realize you weren't doing. Thanks a lot. Leave your comments. Talk to you soon. Bye.